Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, or also known as the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro. Okay, so we are going to have the unboxing of this popular. It is becoming a popular wearable from Xiaomi. It is a Smartband smartwatch look. And of course, it is loaded with a lot of features, advanced features, and specifications. So they say it is twice better than the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. So we will see. So again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, so please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. In the next few days, we will have a series of videos for the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, including the installation of the app as well as the features here. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Then we will check this one. We'll have the unboxing and review of its specs. So let's check it out. So as you can see here, we have a very simple box packaging. So this is not a global version. I think it is a Chinese version, but we expect it that the menus here will change also to English. There will be an option for English. Language. So let's see. As you can see here at the specs. At the back of this box we have AMOLED. I guess this one is 100 plus sports functions. We have GPS here, blood oxygen. It is waterproof of up to 50 meters. It supports NFC here. For the battery we have 235 mAh. You see it here. So we have some details here. So let's check. Let's have the wearable now. Let's open the box. As you can see here, very simple packaging here. And very affordable compared to other smart band or fitness tracker with a large screen display. Okay. So we have here the user manual and we have the Smartband here. So again, the contents are, so let's check. We have the manual here. Then we have the band and we have the strap here. So this one, my mistake, this is the charging cable here, magnetic, and we have the band here. I don't know if what color do we have here, rose gold, or silver. Let's see. So we have the silver color here. Looks nice so far. We have flexible strap here. So this one is plastic, it's not a metal strap or metal buckle here. So at the back we have the sensor, Xiaomi, and we have a removable strap here. How do we remove it? So I guess you just have to press this thing. Here we have a notch here. So that's it. So far we don't see any third-party strap for this one. But I'm pretty sure in just a few weeks or months we'll have a lot of available straps for the Xiaomi Mi Band Pro, Mi Band 7 Pro, or the Smart Band 7 Pro. Okay, as you can see here, it is a proprietary strap. Okay, unlike other wearable smart band that have a 0.20 millimeter interchangeable strap. Okay, standard strap. So this one, Xiaomi do have their own design for the strap. Okay, again, let's take a look at the design here. Okay, let's focus on the wearable. Okay, so metal bezel here, PC material, and we have a bit of curve here for the body. Okay, just see slight curve for the bezel, as you can see here. Okay, slim bezel on the left and right. I don't know, seems like we don't have a anti-smudge here or oleophobic coating. Okay, but so far seems like we do have a slim bezel, except for on the bottom part here, as you can see. Okay, so let's measure this one. Okay, we have 43. Okay, so for the length, and we have for the width, we have, okay, 31 something, 31.5, okay, or 32. Then for the thickness, not including the sensor here, we have 9. Okay, so we have 9. Okay, for the weight, okay, let's try. Okay, 0, 31.26, or maybe this is 31.50 or 32. Okay, in that range. Okay, for the power cable here, very strong magnet, by the way. Okay, as you can see, it is able to carry on the weight of the smartwatch or the smart band. Okay, so here at the back, Xiaomi. Okay, good sensor here. Okay, I don't know if where is the power button here or the wearable. Okay, I think you have to charge it to turn it on. We'll check. Okay, we will charge this band and we'll see. Okay, okay, so we plug in the power cable here and let's see. Okay, it's now turning on. Okay, I guess we still have to connect this to the wearable or to the support app to see the UI. Okay, so far we do have 78% here. Okay, seems like we do have a battery, still have some juice left on its battery. Okay, so remove it. So we have here the QR code, so you need to connect it to the support app to be able to use the wearable. Okay, but so far, as you can see here, okay, you can see the bezel here very slim, okay, except on the bottom part. Okay, so there's no physical button to turn on your band. Okay, just plug it in and it automatically turns on and shows to you the battery life here. Okay, okay, so we're excited to connect it and pair it with the support app to see, of course, the features and the different menus available in the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, or also known as the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.